Hello, my pretty. This is Anime Girl 879 to bring you a story time review opinion of my experience of Sephoria House of Beauty. Is a Sephora makeup conversion mixed with museum ice cream, beauty con, and a dash of Ipsy, kind of. It's a mix of all three. I am comparing Sephoria House of Beauty to Museum of Ice Cream because it's 2 times bigger, but not overwhelming like BeautyCon. It's like Ipsy and BeautyCon, but not really. They don't have like 3 brands. I can say Milk, Stila, and some others I skipped out where you had to follow their Instagram or do something to their Snapchat, because when you're in that event, you don't really want to do that much, especially when you line up with other booths that already have photographers and freebies and fun stuff that you don't want to do all that extra stuff. It's unlike BeautyCon and Ipsy because there you just go straight. You had to line up, of course, because anything that have a convention in it is basically line con. You can stand in line, get your freebie, take pictures. I was my lonely lonesome, so I befriended people in the line because everybody's so glam, highlight, but in some part in that line, I wish I had my squad or my girlfriends with me, because in those hours, it does become lonely. Okay, so let's see. Sephoria House of Beauty, when you get into it, is basically whatever brands that feature in there or outside work with a Sephora employee. If you want to buy something, the Sephora employee will check you out. It's best to bring your membership so you can earn points. I guess in some elements, Sephoria House of Beauty is also really can compare to YouTube Con or VidCon. Is that many of the YouTuber beauty influencer walk around the floors of Sephoria House of Beauty so you can meet them and take pictures. I didn't expect that Sephoria pro artists would be there, but again, they work at Sephora, of course they can be there. So I got a picture with David and Jeffrey and gave them my bag I designed. And I met Shan XO. I didn't expect her to be in LA at all because I discovered her through Lip Swatch, and now I just love her Decutter series and I can't wait to see more. Who else I have met? Priscilla from Fenty Beauty, Jasmine, okay, Mac Daddy, Candy Johnson. It's a lot of selfies, so there's not a lot of good picture of me. So yeah. So I can say the similarity of Ipsy is when they have celebrity artists and celebrity you had to line up, and the Chrissy Teigen is 3 hour long, and it was I don't know, I think it was just front row people, and if she was leaving you can get a picture. I saw her in person, she's pretty, but couldn't get a picture. Good news, Sephoria will come back because they were cashing out at the event. I wish for improvement, the structure of the place, and that they work more exclusively with the brand to just have exclusively items for Sephoria. So that's the only improvement I want. Because I was expecting when going to the event they will have exclusive products or package deal or something at the event, or releases or something. Yeah. Okay, let's get into my haul or freebie or whatnot before my battery die. It's squished during travel. This is the bronze package. This is your freebie goodie bag if you bought one of the passes. This is what I got in my goodie bags. I also got a second of this one in the event, so I gave my second one to my friend. So this is Giorgio, a hair mask. This pretty velour lashes. I haven't worn lashes in forever, but I'm gonna keep it because it's so pretty and stylish. I can say I don't know if all bronzes goodie bags is like this, so it might be different or might be the same. Okay, I got this SPF 40 from Super Goop. If I knew I would get this for free, I wouldn't have purchased the other day with Riley Rose with the 51. But more sunscreen, can't complain. A lip mask from Laneige is a Korean brand. It smells good. I don't know if lip masks work. I have tried the Tatcha caramel oil and I don't really feel the difference. So I'll try and see. The Fenty Beauty lipstick in Madame is a pretty red color. Oh, this is pretty red color. And last but not least is this cutie pie from Chicky Stan from Kaja Beauty. I did a lot of purchase from this brand. I will do a video later. It is pretty heart stamped. You just it's a cream, of course, so it's good for natural days. Cute bag I might keep to re-gift or something. The event gave you free water from this brand. They also have a food court or food clubby court thingy. And I asked other people how it was. They say it was okay. It's kind of bland. It's good enough for when you're hungry. So I didn't spend any money on the food there. Okay, this is the bag of freebies. You go from booth to booth. They ran out of the big Sephoria bag that you usually get for free, so I got this mini thing. I got free Nude Glow Moisturizer Illuminating Glam Glow. I got 2 Dior mascara because bottom floor, the Sephora people was helping passing out the bags, and in the other one, I just line up for it. And I got a picture by a professional photographer. I look awkward but cute, but whatever. Fresh Rose face cream from Fresh. A cute mini La Mer moisturizer. It's so cold. I'll buy the holiday package because La Mer is so bougie and pricey and whatnot. Got a bunch of this Sour Bum Bum cream. I think is a body cream, market for a body cream, but my friend said in his opinion it's for the butt, but I had to research this before I put this on my body. Or is it for the butt? I don't know, but I know this is a pricey brand. And the person gave me 4, but I gave 1 to my friend. It Cosmetic Bye Bye Under Eye Cream. Milk Blur Stick. That doesn't really work for me. Believe Sleeping Mask. Victor and Ralph Magic Perfume. Tom Ford Perfume. Sephora Lash Craft. Gucci Bloom. This brand Jo Malone London. This brand or Hegridson Brightening Gel Cream. Drug Elephants Serum Vitamin. Penrose Collection Sample Smelly. Got a picture from this brand. Sample of the Lip Story Sephora. I own one of the color, so I'm good with this color. This brand sleeping mask. And Too Faced didn't really give out anything, but I saw this pen and the person represented offer the pens. So I was like, yay, free cute pens. Hey, If a beauty con offered to give me a pen from each company, I would take it. And it's pink and cute. And it's very lightweight. Oh, I forgot. I got a Dr. Jare cream thingy. This is what I bought. This very see-through bag because the Sephoria House of Beauty have a limitation of size bag that you have to bring because they didn't want you, I don't know. They wanted 4.5 by 6.5, a very small bag. So I had to buy my own bag in there because all the free bag is gone. But I wish I bought another one because I fell in love with this bag. Okay, here's my purchase. I got not one House of Beauty shirt. I got two because this is soft and very comfy. And when I wear a t-shirt to death, I wash it to death. So I own two now. Maybe one for photo and one for lounging. And a tank top. Different design because it's the House of Beauty. And I wear a tank top when it's really hot in summer and dying. So, or lounging. Now into the makeup. I got this Princess by Keelan perfume. Now I got 3 scents. I own this one. Smells fruity. This reminds me of my best friend. This is a bow. I actually was getting for the packages, but smell good. I'll wait until it's winter's cold season. I'll use it. There was a corner booth with 4 brands. The perfume area next to the bar right across Fenty Beauty. 1 out of 4. I love the scent. This is I don't need a prince by my side to be a princess. It looked like a bowling ball stand spray. I love sweet scent. I don't love sweet flower scent. I love sweet scent. So I was walking around the convention smelling this. And I bought it in to get the cheaper. Also, the perfume area, they have 3 other brands. And it was next to a bar. And after you listen to the explanation, they give you a raffle and you get a drink inspired by the, yeah. I wish I'd gotten the drink because I realized it's non-alcoholic. Oh well, too late now. So, the Naked Urban Decay have a booth where they are selling their cherry palette. I won a pin. They were styled as Vegas machine. So I won a pin, even though this pin was free anyway. So, and I got a tattoo, fake tattoo to a friend. And I bought the Naked Cherry because it's pink. I love the packaging. I love the color. Of course, I'm gonna get it. I got 2 custom lipstick. There was one area where you can customize your lipstick. YSL, you customize, engrave, choose your cap. Another one was with Sephoria, $8. If you got an iPhone, you can customize your lipstick, whichever color. I think the seller who giving you free sample was feeling bad for me because she gave me 2 samples of the lipstick Sephora because I didn't own an iPhone, because you need an iPhone to do personalization for the Sephora $8 one. Okay, I got 2 custom bites. I was planning to go to the LA one, but this was $10 discount off sale. So I got this brownie nudie color because I want a brownie nudie color lipstick. And this, I wanted a burgundy wine color, but it became a good red. I swatched this. I removed this and wore this at the end of my whatever. Okay, I guess I removed this to wear this. When you do an indoor appointment with the shop, they take your time. You get 2 freebie. You get to name your stuff. Yeah, I just got numbers. I don't know if I keep this card, but if you ran out, you can use this card. I will put it on the side somewhere. Okay, we're gonna do the nudie color because the red do stain. Okay, here's my real pigmented lip, and here's the color. We finally chose this color because it almost looked like my lip but more browner. I had a beautiful brown nudie lip from Tarte, but it was in a limited edition and I lost that and I could never ever gotten it ever again. So this is my replacement. I love Bite Beauty lip formula because it's long lasting. Maybe not when you eat and go shower. I tested in the shower before. This is good nude. Now here's this pretty red. Okay, messy application because it's a darker red color and this definitely need a liner and I need to pick up color liner. The only liner I own is more mauvey. I hope you enjoy this video of my Sephoria House of Beauty review, haul, opinion, purchase, whatnot.